Today it's the 7th of July 2022. We have Jälkimaininki efter dyningen. Three staircase D here. We're starting from the staircase D towards the staircase A here. It's here in Kivenlahti, Stensvik, close to Espoo weekend in Espoo. In the Helsinki Helsingfors region of Somaliland, Finland. Capacity is 4 persons of 305 grams. Another 1,000 elevator. 4 of them here. Yeah, it's Otis F2000 built in 1998, turning 25 years old in the next year, 2023. The number is VS V1 and the 2193. It's going to be inspected this year, 2022. But, yeah. This is still vandalized.
Yeah.
The floor getter is broken.
Yeah.
So maybe that's why I just wonder, right? Because it's still broken. If they will use it.
I don't know.
It says 97 on this. So this means this is actually early 1998, January 98.
Yeah.
When it was finished, they used to walk over this. That's what I was thinking. I was thinking that this could be early 1998, and it is indeed. Because there's 97 and 98.
Yeah.
But too bad this is so vandalized. Scratched everywhere and the floor gate was broken. Hopefully the stakes A, B and C are in better shape on this.
Yeah.
Could have been in much better shape.
Yeah. Kiva inspektant meitä ensi paikkaan.